Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Mahua. Myself Nimisha Mehta, class 5 grammar. We have started our revision for unit test 3 as per paper format. In that paper format, I ask question 1, complete the each sentence choosing the correct verb from the strip. I already give options. You have to choose and fill up. Do you know? From this question, they ask suitable verb form from simple present tense. Do you know? In simple present tense, we put verb with s, es or ies as per the respective subject. But in the third person singular, he, she, it and singular name, we put verb with adding s, es or ies. Next question, state whether the underlined verbs. Instead of that, I given red printed verbs. Red verbs are transitive or intransitive. So, do you know the verb depend on object is called transitive. So, as per that, you have to identify transitive or intransitive verb. Next question. Complete the sentences using the correct forms of the verbs given in brackets. Rewrite these sentences. You have to write down this sentence repeated in that correct way. Okay? Rewrite the sentences by changing the singular nouns into their plural forms. Make other changes if necessary. Change the sentences from the simple present tense to the present continuous tense. Do you know in present continuous tense we use to be verb form am is are plus verb ing form as per subject. I am going, we are going, you are going, you are going, he, she, it and singular name is going, they are going. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets, this 3 mark. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect forms of the verbs given in brackets, 3 marks. Okay, as per that paper format, complete each sentence choosing the correct verb from the strip. There was a bathtub in the hotel room. A bathtub, it's a singular. So we use to be verb form was. Where have you kept my cap? You, then we use have. Where are the keys to the house? Here they mention the keys, plural subject. So we use are. How do magicians perform their tricks? Here magicians, so we use do. Where does Silpa live? Here Simpa. Silpa is a singular name, third person singular. So we use helping verb does. How many students have paid the fees? Students, so we use have. Has Ruhi eaten all the cookies? Ruhi is a third person singular. So Ruhi has eaten. Okay. Tara said, I was going to the market. There were too many buses on the road. Next question, transitive or intransitive. The bookseller sold some books to the boy. Transitive, the bookseller sold, but question with what? So it's a transitive, depend on object. The little boy cried. Okay, cried. No need to objects. It's called intransitive verb. The sun rose up in the sky. The sun rose up. Enough that much. No need to ask question what, when, who. So it's an intransitive verb. I took a bus to my uncle's house. I took, but what? A bus. So it's a transitive verb. She understood what? Then we ask a question with what? So depend on object. It's called transitive. Yes, I don't like people who tell lies. It's transitive. I wrote a letter to my friend in England. Wrote, but what? Letter. So transitive. Shunita bought a new dictionary. Who bought? Then we automatically reply Shunita. So depend on object. It's transitive. Next, complete these sentences using the correct forms of the verb given in brackets. Before eating, we always wash our hands. Here we. So, we use root form of the verb, best form of the verb, wash. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Water. I drink tea without sugar. Rajat always speaks. Here Rajat is a third person singular name. So we use verb with as, es or ies. Rajat speaks. This parcel contains. Okay, next question. Rewrite these sentences. You have to write this sentence in proper way. This man walks in the park every Sunday. This man walk in the parks every Sunday. Here THIS, this is singular, it's plural. THAT, man, man singular, it's plural, MEN man. And always with plural subject, we put best form of the verb, root form of the verb, walk. That woman works very hard. Those women work very hard. The little girl revises. These little girls revise. The infant sleeps. The infants sleep. I have put the book. We have put the books. Next question. Change the sentences from the simple present tense to the present continuous tense. The old woman sits. Here the old woman. In present continuous singular subject we use is. Do you know? I am, we are, you are, he, she, it, is, they are. So the old woman is sitting on the second bench in the park. The dog plays, the dog is playing, the teacher is sewing, the students are collecting, Simran and Tarun are getting, the musician is playing, the guest of honor is speaking. Some people are standing. Okay, I hope you understand. Next question. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. Already I give bracket. You have to put with to be verb form. Supriya is acting. Supriya is a third person singular. So we use is acting. The telephone is ringing. If we leave the house at 9 am, we usually meet people who are going to work. People, so we use who are. She is not listening. The gardener is digging. Mother is sewing. The sun is setting. People are waiting. Okay, next question, present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use to be verb form helping verb has, have as per their subject and plus the verb form, which one? The past participle form. I have checked, have bought, buy, bought, has opened, the children have reached. Do you know? I have opened, we have opened, you have opened, you have opened. Only with third person singular, he, she, it and singular name, we use has opened, they have opened. Okay. Our school has started. Kanika has not taken. Have you not written? Has your daughter done? Okay. I hope you understand this full paper style of unit test 3 and also as per their tenses. You have to complete this PDF 2-3 times as a revision. Okay. Thank you.